Meet Jane, an innovator brimming with ideas for new products. Launching products today is risky, expensive, and time-consuming, so she's forced to choose the one idea that has the highest likelihood of success. Despite facing a lot of unknowns, she gets to work on her computer where she can design at the speed of thought. Jane quickly finalizes the prototype and starts the search for a manufacturer. She's shocked to find that it's nearly impossible to get someone to pick up the phone, let alone quote the project. She discovers that manufacturers are unresponsive, low-tech, and very hard to work with. Jane finally lands a quote, and her heart sinks when she sees a 6-month lead time and $100,000 tooling charge. There's so much risk ahead, but what choice does she have? After months of waiting, she receives the first units and discovers a critical design flaw. She can't afford a 3-month delay and $30,000 to fix the design, so she has to manually fix each unit. To launch into production, Jane has to commit to tens of thousands of units. At this point, any changes to design are all but impossible, escalating risk even more. This is the reality of manufacturing today. It's easy to see why 90% of products never get launched. What if it doesn't have to be this way? What if product innovators had the ability to launch physical products at the speed of digital? This is the future that 3DO is building. Before, Jane had to struggle for a year to launch a product with a design flaw. With 3DO, she can iterate designs in days, get to production in weeks, and change designs easily, even in the middle of a production run. Before, she had to make huge financial commitments months ahead of launch. With no upfront cost, 3DO allows Jane to pay as she goes, conserving cash for more product launches. Before, Jane had to forecast over a year in advance, introducing a lot of risk. 3DO gives her the flexibility to order new units in weeks and scale up or down in real time. Before 3DO, Jane had to gamble on which one product to launch. With the manufacturing cloud, she can launch all of them. 3DO gives her superpowers to launch better products faster so she can drive revenue, disrupt the competition, and build a new kind of business. Welcome to the manufacturing cloud.